Hi guys, the next padlock that I will pick is this 3 yes padlock, the number 150. It's an iron lock, very interesting lock, I have to say. What's very interesting about it is the keyway. That's the keyway. And more interesting is actually the key. This here is the key. You can see it, it's not a standard key. And quite frankly, I really like it. Does work, so it's a fully functional lock. But let's see if I can pick it on camera. So use this tension wrench because this is the only one that does not slip away. Everything else just slips away. And let's see. In total there are between 10 and 12 pins. At least it's the dimples on the key are 12, but I do feel only 10 pins inside, so it's a little bit awkward because I don't have my tripod and this is my phone actually, so the picking will be a little bit more awkward. So nothing on this side. Let's see this side. There are no security pins, but because of the orientation of the pins it's not the fastest pick. And here we go, open. So that's the 3yes lock number 150. I got it from the Lockman 28 and I have to say I enjoyed it, picking it every time. So guys, thank you for watching and keep it legal. Cheers.